Président, in this time of global economic uncertainty, Canadians are concerned about being able to save for their retirement. If the NDP had their way, they would double CPP contributions, meaning increased payroll taxes on small and medium...
Order. I'd ask members to hold off on their applause until the members finished asking the question. The honourable member for Winnipeg South Centre.
This would mean, Mr. Speaker, increased payroll taxes on small and medium-sized business. In this time of global economic uncertainty, imposing a tax on our key job creators is just irresponsible. Could the Minister of State for Finance please tell this House what this government has done to help Canadians better plan for their retirement?
Honourable Minister of State for Finance.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, and I thank my colleague from Winnipeg South Centre. I know that she's been communicating with her constituents and helping them with some solutions on helping prepare for their retirement goals, Mr. Speaker. Today in the House of Commons we're debating a new piece of legislation, the Pooled Registered Pension Plan, Mr. Speaker, a very accessible plan, accessible to all Canadians. Businesses are looking forward to this, Mr. Speaker. They're looking forward to it because there's 60% of Canadians today in the workforce that do not have access to that pension plan. We're providing that option. I hope the honourable member